I guess coming into the coronavirus crisis, there was already a lot of change going on within the retail sector. Some businesses were performing quite well, and we were fortunate to have a number of those in our portfolio. But there's been a lot of disruptive change and structural change going on in retail. So particularly department stores have been facing a lot of pressure. Now, there's only one department store group in Australia that delivers above its cost of capital, and that's Kmart. So what really this crisis is forcing is it's forcing a lot of retailers to really reflect on their business models, questioning whether they have a strong enough online and e-commerce business, and also challenging some of the high occupancy costs that are embedded into their structure by virtue of long-term leases and very large stores.
Now, specifically on that online space, now we actually spoke to one of the other major online retailers here in Australia, Ruslan Kogan, just last week, and he was basically saying that despite, the tragic circumstances of this outbreak, it's basically a 1 in 100 or 1 in 100 year event here in Australia, and it's going to completely shift the retail environment, that bricks and mortars is basically all but dead. Do you share that view? And if you don't, what are you doing to perhaps mitigate some of those concerns in terms of really pushing your online offering over and above what you've got in your trading update today?
Well, look, I think what we will see post-coronavirus is that we'll probably see an acceleration of sales towards online. And fortunately, in the last couple of years across Wesfarmers, we've invested heavily in our digital and online capabilities. So if you take a business such as Bunnings 2 years ago, it didn't have an online transactional capability. Now it has a very sophisticated one that combines home delivery, click and collect, and even a very innovative drive and collect model with our warehouses that mean that customers don't even need to get out of their car to collect their goods. So there's a lot that we're doing, and I think we will see an acceleration of online. But we're also seeing stores continue to be very relevant for customers. And what we find is that some of our strongest online customers, some of our best customers there are also some of our best customers in the stores. So we see our store model together with our online business as being a source of competitive advantage.